that place to the Lord. Secondly, set up a specific time for the Lord. Know that by 8 a.m. in this time I'll be communicating with the Lord. Thirdly, do not be anxious to pray about everything or repeatedly. Do not repeat yourself while making your prayers, because the Lord knows everything. Even before you start to pray, He already knows what you're going through, and He knows everything that you need in your life. So pray in spirit and in truth. The other thing to consider is that have the Bible with you, whether it is a Bible app or a physical Bible. Read a word of God from any book or any chapter before you start to pray. Lastly, I have a structure that I've got that will guide you slowly as a new convert or as a person that is learning to pray. Follow the Acts structure. With the structure of Acts, A stands for adoration. Whenever you come to pray in the presence of God, do not forget about speaking nice, sweet, great, and powerful, beautiful things about the Lord. Adore Him about His creation. Adore Him about His kingdom. Confirm to the Lord. He knows already who He is, but it is your duty as His servant to speak about this. Tell Him how great, how beautiful, how powerful He is, and how beautiful His creation is. Secondly is C. With confession, you have to confess about all the sins that you have done. Confess on behalf of your family, confess on behalf of your friends before you proceed with your prayer. T stands for thanksgiving. Thank the Lord for anything nice or bad that He has done for your family. Thank Him for His goodness. Thank Him for His glory. Thank Him for the gift of life or for anything. A lot of people have gone, but you are still alive, so you have all the reasons to thank the Lord. Thank Him for His goodness. Thank Him. And lastly, we have supplication. Supplication means you completely surrender to the Lord for strength and power, plus victory in your prayerful life. With supplication, you are telling the Lord that you are my strength and lead